Hello everyone, this is Subin here again. So on today's topic I'm gonna teach you if your system has got Java installed or not. So for that what you need to do is open terminal. My system will take a little bit of time, so please bear with me. Here you go. So what you need to do is you need to type Java version and hit enter, and it will tell you like your system has got Java. I've got Java 18 runtime environment for 64-bit server. So that's how you check your system has got Java in it or not. So I hope you guys find easier, like which version of Java install. Clear, exit.